here's another quick breakfast idea that you can prep ahead of time so it's ready for you to help you be set up for success for the week. If you want to check out the egg muffins from earlier, it's linked down below, and this recipe for tiramisu overnight oats will be made extra sweet and amazing thanks to Magic Spoon. It's, I think, my favorite one. It's the frosted flavor, and you can check out the barcode over here for a discount. Now, the cleanest way to minimize dishes and just make everything easier and have it look pretty is to just use a large bowl and just make the base of the overnight oats right in there. Add vanilla, a bit of honey, or whatever other alternatives you want. Lately, I've just been preferring the natural stuff, but I do alternate with stevia or agave even, but that's been a forever time ago. Then some espresso powder, or you can even put instant coffee. Some chia seeds, great for digestion and to thicken everything. But I'm sure you know that overnight oats are just so popular, and this is just a new fun take on it. And I'm not putting yogurt in here. What will actually help thicken this up and add some extra protein is some cookies and cream protein powder. The yogurt actually will only be on the top, acting like the mascarpone layer of a traditional tiramisu, and the coffee, the espresso, is just shining right through. Wipe up what you have to. So now all you have to do is put the topping in. Now you can either let this rest and let it get thick for 4 to 6 hours, or you can do it right now, whatever you prefer. And to sweeten that topping, I'm feeling maple. I know I said honey in the recipe, but again, you can use whatever kind of sweetener you want. And if you're type A about vanilla and how much should be used, then just try to pardon my generosity with it. Now carefully spoon this so it sits on top of the oats. And I did promise to add a special ingredient over the top. And if you liked how these overnight oats turned out and you want to do something more special but with oats, then check out my baked oats also with another flavor of Magic Spoon cereal.